If you have never baked bread before, or you are looking to take your bread making skills to the next level, this is the perfect video for you. Today, we are going to take a deep dive into the world of bread making and step by step bake the perfect loaf of artisan bread. To start, we are going to add 450 grams of flour to a mixing bowl. We are then going to add 7 grams of instant yeast. We are specifically going to use grams as it is more accurate than measuring cups. Then we are going to add 9 grams of salt. Don't worry, the salt will not kill the yeast. To feed our yeast a little, we are going to add 5 grams of sugar. For our water, we are going to add 300 ml of warm water, slightly warmer than lukewarm but not hot. If you like natural homemade bread, then make sure to leave a like on this video. Then time to get your hands in there. We are going to mix and knead the bread to a cohesive sticky dough, usually around 10 minutes. Then cover your dough, and now we are going to let it rest for 2 to 3 hours or until doubled in size. If you would like to see more bread making videos like this, then make sure to subscribe. After it has risen, dust a work surface with flour. Pour out your dough, letting gravity do most of the work. We are going to once again knead the dough into a ball, sealing the bottom to keep its round shape. After that, into a cast iron skillet, lightly dust a piece of parchment paper and place the dough ball inside. Cover and let proof for 30 more minutes. After 30 minutes, it's time to score our dough. Be creative and make whatever designs you like. To bake our bread, we need to first cover our pan. I am using silver foil, but if you have a cover or are using a Dutch oven that has a lid, use that. We are then going to bake it in the oven for 30 minutes at 450 degrees. After 30 minutes, remove the cover and bake for 10 more minutes at 400 degrees. And this is how to make artisan bread if you've never done it before. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to watch this video on how to make baguettes at home. Enjoy!